Hello, my name is Mike, and today I want to show you how to connect your ActiveCampaign account to Formidable Forms, so you can get your contacts while still using the best form builder around. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we want to do is go to the add-on section of Formidable and activate the ActiveCampaign add-on if you haven't already. Activating this adds an extra tab in the global settings area of Formidable itself, where we can paste the information we need to make the connection. Then go to ActiveCampaign and go to the Settings and then choose the Developer tab. Don't worry, you don't need to be a developer. You're just going to copy the URL and the key in the API access area and then paste them in the appropriate place in the global settings. Hit Update to save in Formidable and you're set. Now let's check out our forms. You'll see that I still have the default contact form that comes with any installation of Formidable Forms. Let's select it. It collects their name, email address, and then a subject and message portion. I'm going to turn this into a sign-up form for my newsletter by deleting those final two fields. Okay, now we'll hit Update to save and then go to the settings of the form. You'll see that there's a new action in the Actions and Notifications section, ActiveCampaign. Select it to get that new action. Then it's super straightforward. Just select the ActiveCampaign list that you want to add them to, and match your fields to the correct fields in the action. Ours only has email, first name and last name, but you can also send a phone number and any tags if you're collecting those. Hit Update to save and you're good. Now, anytime someone fills out your form, they'll show up as a contact in ActiveCampaign. And that's how easy it is to connect ActiveCampaign to the forms of the greatest form builder for WordPress. Subscribe for more WordPress tips, and I'll see you next time.